Looking for natural ways to support smooth, healthy-looking skin? These are 3 natural oils that I use in my skincare routine to help with fine lines, blemishes, and restoring a natural glow. These oils are traditionally used to nourish and protect skin, helping it feel and look better over time. The first is rosehip oil, rich in vitamins A and C. I find it helps my skin feel more hydrated and appear more even in tone. The second is jojoba oil. Its structure is similar to the skin's natural sebum, which can help balance oil, support hydration, and maintain a healthy barrier. And if marks or uneven areas are your main concern, many people turn to frankincense essential oil. When blended with a carrier oil, it's often used to support smoother-looking skin and a more even appearance. I like to massage a few drops of these oils into clean skin as part of my evening routine. Over time, this simple habit has made my skin feel firmer, smoother, and more radiant. If you'd like a complete guide to natural skincare and holistic beauty, explore our Natural Holistic Beauty Certification course or our Natural Essential Oils course inside the Smart Majority membership. You can try either, or both, free for 7 days. Your membership also gives you access to over 150 courses on holistic health, natural remedies, and personal growth, from Ayurveda and yoga to emotional intelligence, stress management, and more. And you'll be joining a community of over 40,000 graduates who've already explored and transformed their lives with Smart Majority. After your free trial, you can continue with 60% off your first year. That's just $9.97 a month, and you can cancel anytime. So tonight, try adding one of these oils to your routine. And if you're ready to go deeper, join us at smartmajority.com. Your path to radiant skin and a healthier, more vibrant you.